question. Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm
Update my mind, safe to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my.
Okay, y'all, so I just put that food in the oven on 375. I am about to let it bake for I don't know how long. Honestly, I'm winging this. Y'all know I do not know how to cook. But I'm gonna leave it in there for at least 30 minutes and then check back. I'm trying to let the potatoes and the carrots cook, and since those are a little bit thicker, you know, I want to just make sure. So I'm gonna leave it in there. I basically, like, you know, just put the chicken on top, and while that's cooking, I'm about to watch Game of Thrones, because why not? Good morning, y'all. It is a beautiful Monday. It's already 9 a.m. Y'all know I'm supposed to be to work for 9:30, but I'm about to rush real quick and make myself a healthy, high protein breakfast, because y'all know we are trying to change our lives. So it's important that I start off with a good meal for the day. So I'm about to make some eggs and some avocado and just Greek yogurt and berries. Keep it very basic, very. Now y'all, I have a, oh, y'all are cooking. Damn, let me see. No, that's not gonna work. There we go. Okay, now y'all, I have a very sad update. The stretch marks on my stomach have officially shown themselves, and I'm so disappointed. I don't know, I'm just looking at it like, okay, this is a big push for me to like go even harder, because y'all, also y'all know I'm trying to do bone broth, so I'm about to try my first thing of bone broth. I'm a little nervous. Oh, my bad, y'all. This is crazy. Who would ever think I would be drinking damn bone broth? I'm not gonna do too much to start. I'm gonna just do a little tiny bit, you know. It's my first time doing it. And I want this to last until Thursday, so I feel like if I really get dedicated, I'll like make my own, you know? Oh, I don't think you're supposed to microwave it. I think you're supposed to reheat it on the stove. Say less, say less. There we go. I'm not gonna have time to do everything that I want to do. I'm coming to terms with that. I can't do the eggs. I just can't. I don't have time. What we're gonna do instead is I have a protein shake that's 30 grams of protein. I'm gonna do some Greek yogurt. I'm gonna do 1 cup of this. This has 17 grams per 3/4 cup, so 1 gram will be like 21 grams of protein. I'm gonna throw that in a container. Cause yeah, I don't have enough time. Unfortunately, I wish I did, but I don't want to be too late for work, because y'all know sis needs her job, okay? Sis needs to keep earning income, do you hear me? So yeah, let me just do this. Where's the line for this? 1 cup is a lot of yogurt though. I really don't think I'll be able to make it. Do 1 more scoop for good measure. There we go. Perfect. Y'all, I really need, y'all know I come to y'all for all the good advice. How do I take care of cast iron? All the professionals come to the front right now and tell your girl. My thing is, after you cook with it, how do you clean it, y'all? I need help, guidance. So y'all let me know, because I know y'all are gonna know. I know y'all are gonna know. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is like warmed up. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's warmed up. So this is my bone broth, y'all. Ooh, so weird. This is my first. Let me, y'all have this in y'all's eye. My bad. Let me try it. It literally smells like straight broth. It tastes like you're just drinking straight soup. Y'all, that's terrible. Oh my god. Oh god, I can't do it. Oh, I can't do it. I am still sipping on the bone broth. I think I'm adjusting. My hair is so crazy, y'all. I'm gonna get it together tonight. It's like not terrible. It's not great, but it's not terrible, if that makes sense. Like, I could push through. Let me go though, y'all, because the light is changing. Y'all know I'm headed to the office. Hey y'all, so I'm back from work. I'm lying, it's been like 2 hours, y'all. I took like a 2-hour nap, but now I'm about to warm up my dinner that y'all saw me make yesterday. I'm realizing this is a lot of carbs, but I don't feel bad about it, so I'm gonna enjoy this meal. And yeah, I like didn't have lunch and all I had was yogurt for breakfast. I don't know, not the best eating day, but I think it's because I binge ate. But anyway, I'm about to warm this up. And then we're gonna dye my hair, y'all, because the way it's giving grays. This tastes super good, y'all. It's crazy because I don't think I used that many potatoes, but I probably did. I should have used less, but next time. It's hot. Oh, it's crazy how freaking wide this lens is, y'all. I can't get over it. But anyway, I'm about to dye my hair because as y'all can see, I definitely have some grays going on. I don't know, let me make sure I'm close enough. Yeah, I have like some grays, like you can for sure see them. And I'm just not a fan, you know? I don't want to have gray hair yet. So I'm not gonna have gray hair yet. Now, normally I do not dye my own hair, but desperate times call for desperate measures. So I'm gonna have to do it on my own and make it work. Also, y'all, that dinner was so freaking good. Like, woo, I did my thing with that one. Very simple, but very tasty. If I'm honest, probably not the most healthy meal ever. But I'm okay because, like, what is, you know? Consider how I ate today. That is progress. Okay, so the main part I really care about is up in here. This has to get it together. Y'all, I'm shook. I'm like, y'all can see everything. Normally there'll be like parts of my house I don't have cleaned up. But that can't be the case anymore because y'all can see so much with this. I guess I can zoom y'all in a little bit. Yeah, okay, that's better. I'm like, why can't you see the tub? Anyway, so I'm about to dye my hair. I've not done this in a very long time. I used to do like rinses back in the day when I was younger, but it's been a while since I've done those. 1 second, y'all, let me go grab scissors. And of course, y'all know me, so y'all know like I'm using this time to be like, okay, what's causing me to get gray hair? What stress am I experiencing that is leading to me not being as happy and as carefree as I should be? Like, straight ridiculousness, but that's just so my personality, so my vibe. Like, okay, you know what's going on, but really, it's like, girl, everything is fine. People get gray hair. It happens. It's just part of the cycle of aging. But I'm like definitely examining it. All right, y'all, it's time to do it. Is this black enough or is it not mixed well enough? Is the dye supposed to come out black or I don't know. Let me shake it one more time. Oh shit. It just flew all over my bathroom, y'all. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see. We're doing it. We're doing it. It is not a very dark color. I don't know if this is working.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat. Trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep.
I think it looks pretty good. Like, I think it's black, but I'm about to flat iron it. Now, the problem is it definitely does not blend with my weave now. Now it's way darker. I'd rather it be a little bit darker than the gray. You know, it'll lift eventually. Now, why these are all tangled, I don't know, y'all. But the next task is to organize this bathroom, kind of like I did the kitchen, like get it together. Cause, hun, this is ridiculous. Okay. And now I'm just about to flat iron it. I was gonna curl it tonight, but I'm so sleepy. I don't know if I have the energy to do it. While we're here though, y'all, let me give y'all a dating update. So, dating update. You know that my friend had that event in Houston, and the guys were really nice. Really nice men, very fun men, just none of them are very serious. It's very clear, like they definitely homie hop, you know? And so nothing came from that. I don't know, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you'll remember that one video where I posted myself crying on camera about a boy. And I was like super sad about it. And like crying and stuff, just saying how like I had stopped talking to him. Well, y'all, he tries to pop back up from his work phone. Because he's blocked on his real phone. So he called me from his work phone. And then was like, oh. And I was like, oh, I'm busy. And I know I need to block the work phone too. I haven't done it yet. So I'm like, just do it before you like think about it too much. I can't let it fester. I can't have any ties of communication. And the reason I didn't block the work phone from jump is because I didn't know the number. Because I would never save it. Because I was like, I don't, you know. The only time I probably call him on there is if it's like a real emergency. And it never was ever that. Nothing ever happened where it was like, oh, I need you to be accessible right now. So yeah, I'm kind of feeling a little... I don't know, it's just, dating's hard, and it's harder the older you get. Obviously, this is why, like, I see why so many Southern people get married so young. But it's fun. It's just, you know, I don't want to, I guess, and this sounds bad, but, like, I don't want to settle for whatever. Like, and it actually doesn't sound bad. I don't want to settle. And some people think that means, like, stuff like financial, whatever. No, like, that's kind of a given. I hate to say, not to sound bitchy, but like at the point in my life, like most guys that I date, they're going to be successful in that way. But I want a man who treats me extremely well. Like, I don't care how much you have if you treat me like crap. Like, that does nothing for me. I gain nothing. Because like 9 times out of 10, you're going to be either a little bit more than what I make. Or even if it's like a good amount. So like, I'm not stressing. I'm over here paying my bills. I'm over here going on trips, enjoying my life. Like, I'm not the type of woman at this point where money's enough to make me put up with poor treatment, you know? And so I was just like, you have to treat me well. And I don't think that's too much to ask at all. But just dating. And there's a thing too. Let me make this clear, y'all. They don't treat me like terrible. Like, I'm not the TikTok trend that y'all be seeing. But it's like, you know when you're not getting enough from somebody? Like, you're just not getting enough. It's not that they're doing you bad or they're not treating you well. It's just that you're not getting fully what you deserve. And so in that case, it's not good treatment, because it's like, I know you could do better, I know you could be better, but you're choosing not to. And that's fine, but I'm not going to allow you to choose not to and still be in my space. Okay, I think that looks decent, y'all. I have to still straighten it some more. But ooh, child. So yeah, that's the update on that. I'm sure I'll talk about it more when I have more energy, y'all. So don't be mad at me if I double back and repeat myself. It's just right now I'm low-key sleepy, so I'm not even thinking. I just wanted to give y'all a little update. Because I was joking about it in the Discord, about like my dating life. By the way, if you're not in our Discord, I do have a Discord. It's kind of random, y'all. Like, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it quite yet. But it's just if you want to chit-chat, we talk about a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Then you should join it. I'll put the link in the description box. Jeez Louise. Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. I am up. It is 7:30 a.m. I'm getting ready to head into the office. I am starving, so I'm about to hop on. I'm about to make myself some eggs because I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna do eggs and avocado. I don't know why I'm so hungry. Also, y'all, my hands are so dark from the hair dye, but that's why they tell you to wear gloves, and that's why I should have listened. But you know. Okay, y'all, I'm all dressed for work. I'm not gonna lie, as soon as I recorded that, me making the bed, I promptly got back into bed. So, of course, I'm on a rush to get to work. But I have my bone broth going right now. going in on the stove. So, it's all good. Today's gonna be a great day, y'all. Not just a good day. I'm feeling very positive. I'm gonna eat healthy. I'm gonna make good choices. I do have a happy hour. Am I nervous? Yes. Am I gonna stay strong and eat something healthy? Yes. So anywho, that's the tea. That's the update, y'all. Let's go get this bone broth in a mug and head out. So I am home from work. As you can see, I'm already in bed, y'all, because I am tired. I'm gonna take like a little hour nap before I get to it, as far as like editing my video and stuff. But yeah, I'm in bed. Also, y'all, let me know what color, hold on one second, what color do y'all think will go good with my bedroom? Because y'all see, I changed to white sheets and I have like a tan headboard. I want to just like get some cute throw pillows to go with the white. So let me know what our vibe should be, what our aesthetic is. And also too, which lamps y'all think. Give me some decorating tips, y'all, basically. Because I cannot decide what I'm going to do. I want like a nice neutral color, but I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, y'all. I'm about to nap. I'll see y'all when I wake up. Y'all, the dedication, because they have Tirani syrups, and so I'm trying to get as many as I can that are sugar free, because y'all know I love them. So I'm looking for what I can find. I can only find pumpkin pie, so that's what I'm gonna get, but I'm very happy. Yes. And y'all, this camera's about to die, so I'm gonna have to just give y'all a haul when I get home and I have my big camera, because I just brought the little one since we're out. Marshall's my happy place. Oh, take your time. I am about to head to the office, but just wanted to kick off today's part of the vlog. I got these from the farmer's market. They look crazy. They're hard AF too. I don't know. I ain't never. Oh my god, is this pear for? Y'all, this pear is hard. Listen. Y'all, what the fuck? I don't know. Maybe. Sorry. I'm gonna take these out the fridge. They seem like they might need to ripen, so I'm gonna give them some time. In that case, y'all, I'm gonna pack a bag of strawberries that I have from the farmer's market. Take a shot every time I say farmer's market, y'all. It's getting ridiculous. But I have some strawberries left over, so I'm gonna just throw those in there. And then fill up my water cup, and we are on the road. Today I might stay at work a little bit later than I normally do, because y'all, my gas is due today and I have not done it. Really, it was due yesterday. I'm gonna keep it 100. It was due yesterday. I did not finish it. So today I have to get on my grind, okay? And get that shit done. So nobody tries to come for my neck. Gonna make me some lemon water. Y'all know how much I love it. Oh, I gotta take my antidepressant too. I just remembered. Y'all, I'm kind of worried about my dog, because normally he like would be all in my face, and the way, y'all, he has just like, I've been up since 5 in the morning, but he just went to his bed and is like napping, and I'm like, hold up, that's not like you.
She's misinterpreting it. I was like, I don't like that. What's going on here?
Okay, not you trying to put his face.